Rainbow of Sounds Music School kepada nak Shillong Maubri Bhoi District kepada perlong sisin citayo ha kesin sajan ha Little Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri kadon bunjai tilkom hikai ha kalyang ka tem kaput bat karwai kesiau keyboard, gitar, western vocal, Indian classical vocal, kasi instruments bat kasi vocal kikena akibahan news nem senang kila banwan pentebit ha keneg music school bat amdan jinge nagamta ki larang baru banwan pentebit ha keneg music school Namarka election MP Lok Sabha kalahajan kiseng sanh perthai hagari kila sedang ban pengkre nagamta katik election Hajala Meghalaya ru kiseng sanh perthai kila nang pengkre syachat nagamta ban peniang Kyrtong banikhun ha kenek election MP Kaseng VPP dang ha kenek kandidat banai kepala dep kala penbanai yau Kyrtong ikhun election MP na kaseng yau Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon mentapat kala sedang mi kijing keran sani kiwipat kiseng sanh perthai hapa kajala Kawai na giseng kepala nang pengkre kede keseng Trinamool Congress hapok ke Jela Meghalaya. Hak bawa Charles pengrup ubri Presiden jong parti TMC hapok ke Jela. Ubadiru MLA jong nong thamai ulapan pau. Badan pedang jong kiwei ginong ilam keseng TMC hapok ke Jela. Uba Charles pengrup ula Shan Khmat bat Biang ya uba George B. Lyngdoh. Ubadiru MLA berim jong Komroy constituency. Uniu Presiden ula Sngewbha man peniang kumu Kyrtong yikun election MP na Shillong seat na keseng Trinamool Congress ya uba George B. Lyngdoh.
And that's my personal, but according depends on the entire party hierarchy. I feel George Lyngdoh will be a very good candidate. And from the Garos, I'll leave it to the wisdom of the Honourable Parliamentary Party Leader, Dr. to take the final call. Well, we have had a first round of discussions, and since today is now we'll know the session, the timings, and the duration and all, then we start putting our motions and resolutions accordingly.
But Charles, one more.
To go to any political party as it desires, because at the moment there is no constitutional barrier that can stop him from doing so. Therefore, if he feels that he wants to go to join the NPP, then it is his prerogative. They will have to fight the parliamentary seat. So if they are looking at Biang to be the candidate, so I find there's nothing wrong in that. But where our party is concerned, I have yet to discuss with the High Command, our General Secretary in charge, Dr. Bhoi. In fact, I spoke to him this morning, asking him for a meeting, and perhaps either he will come or I'll go to Calcutta and finalize the modalities of how we go about it. We get the go-ahead from the party that they have to agree on certain issues, then we'll start go. Because we already have candidates, so there's no issue.